We hope to achieve over a period of time to convince the industry that this is the way to go with being spread marked, and to also convince councils using the RMA that we are a credible organisation and that we know what we're doing. The fertiliser spreader operator should join the Groundspreader Association to further his knowledge of the industry. There's a lot of information from fertiliser manufacturers to be gained from the association, also from our manufacturers of equipment, and also you get a cheaper spread mark certification program. The advantages of the being in the Groundspreader Association is networking with your fellow operators. There's incentive programs in place, i.e. fuel, telecom, phone discounts, and also access to driver training. The cost to join the Groundspreader, there's two subs. There's a national sub and a provincial sub. The national sub is worked on a program of 1 to 5 units, 5 being the maximum. The first unit is approximately $345 and you top out at $760 odd. And then there's a small sub for your provincial area that you're in, usually about $50 a unit. A spreader, to be accredited, has to test his machine on 3 products through an accredited supplier like Russell Horrell from Lincoln. Once you've done that, you then do driver training, which is safety and practical training, and that is a Transqual accredited program. So a driver then receives a certificate for that, and also for a company accreditation you have to understand the spread mark code of practice for the handling of fertiliser. A spread mark accredited driver is skilled in the fact that he's gone through the Transqual program. He's been taught in class on safety, and then he also does a practical test with a accredited driver who then assesses him and passes him for that. And then because of yourself being in the association, there is fellow members that you can relate to and training for that person. Trucks from spread mark accredited operators are capable of handling the terrain that they're asked to go on. They are, because they are spread mark tested, they have basically been fitted with GPS units for accuracy and proof of placement, and their drivers are fully trained and accredited. We can spread fertiliser as exact as you can possibly spread it, I think, because going through and being spread mark tested, most machines operate between 15 and 30 metres in about width. To do that you have to have a GPS unit, and that GPS unit only not gives you the spread width, it also gives you the proof of placement. It will produce a map so you can supply it to your client. The bins are computer operated, and they are give the ground speed of the vehicle controls the conveyor in the bin, which then the spinner speed is also controlled by the amount that is coming onto it. So therefore everything is computer controlled. Spread mark means sustainability and credibility, which will equal profit, and that's profit both for the farmer and for the operator. You will get proof of placement, that you know that super has been, or fertiliser has been put on where it should be put on, and the rate that it's been put on has been put on, and that there is a guarantee there.